Can we take the bite of approval? That's a good sandwich. Thank you, Willow. So here we are back on a different day. So Big Mike over at MT Homestead put out a challenge for the best sandwich. He made a bologna sandwich, but he didn't say what it had to be. Didn't necessarily call us out on the challenge, but we're gonna knock it out anyway. So let's get over into the kitchen, watching some White Rock Homestead while we're doing it. The rest of the family's eating their food. But anyway, let's get over to the kitchen. It's raining. We can't do anything anyway. So let's go make a sandwich. First, come get some bread. What do I want? What do I want? So I'll go with that one. I don't always toast bread for a sandwich, but for this one, definitely gonna be toasted. Alright, so we grab our toast, and then normally I use the Golden Spicy Brown, but this is just about empty, so I'm gonna go fancy with it. Dijon, this is normally my second go-to. The normal yellow mustard is okay, but I prefer something just a little bit spicy. And I do double up. And then Duke's is okay, but we get the real mayonnaise almonds. Nice and soggy. And then I personally eat all kinds of different types of cheese, but this is normally our go-to here that mostly everyone likes is the Colby Jack. If I can get it open. Yes, I normally do 2 slices. And then we normally go with the cotto salami. So this is one of our favorites. We like the Bologna. But salami is better. So I do a fold, and then I'll top it with some rabbit food. And there we go. Can we take the bite of approval? That's a good sandwich. So go check out the challenge that Mike put out over MT Homestead. I'll have it linked down in the description. But I'm gonna go sit down with family, eat my lunch. We appreciate y'all. Follow the journey. Remember, always thank a veteran at every chance you get. Not only on Veterans Day. That's a good sandwich. Later, y'all.